Running an appliance repair business means your phone never stops ringing, and you're always juggling calls while you're elbow deep in a broken dishwasher. Missed calls mean missed revenue. Scheduling headaches pile up. And by the time you write that invoice, the next job is already waiting. Guild USA changes that. It's an all-in-one automation platform built by appliance repair technicians who live the exact same grind. An AI voice agent answers every single call 24/7. It books the job, captures the machine details, and kicks off your entire workflow automatically. Estimates and invoices generate themselves. Parts get ordered with one tap. Return visits book around delivery dates. Nothing falls through the cracks.